Hi friends, I hope we all are enjoying holidays. Here I am with a video on this is an informative video basically on the technical analysis and cryptocurrencies. And here in this video I'm going to cover whether moving averages work in the crypto market or not. Before we move to the next part of video, here is a disclaimer. Please read it thoroughly. These videos are not for any trading recommendations. These are only for information and educational purposes. Do consult your trading advisor before placing a trade, and please follow your risk management rules. Thank you. Okay, so the question over here is a very frequent question is whether moving averages work in crypto market or not. As we know, moving average is uh, one of the basic technical indicator along with trend lines and all. So here what I have done is that in order to simplify, I'm just going to run this analysis in the live market. So here you can see this is MTL USDT. This is one of the the cryptocurrency, and this is a 4 hourly time frame that I have opened for you. I'll just reduce it to 5 minute time frame so that we may have some action coming in, or rather let me put it down to 1 minute to see if what we'll be discussing makes sense over here. Okay, so this is what we believe about the what we believe about the moving averages. When the shorter term moving average is above longer term moving average, one should be biased to long side. When the shorter term moving average is below longer term moving average, one should be biased to short side. And there is no trade when the market is or the price is inside the moving averages. So what I have done over here is that I'm going to I generally I use something called alligator. This was introduced by Bill Williams, and I like it somehow. And so here it is. So the philosophy would be, or the sequence will be, for long we'll be following blue, brown, and green. Blue is 21 days moving average, brown is 13 days moving average, green is 8 days moving average. I don't make any changes to the indicator. Sorry, I'm not making any changes to the indicator. And so for long you'll be looking for price to be up in this in progression of moving average should be this blue, brown, and green. Even for the short side we'll be following the same. When the price is caught in the zone, there is no trade. So I'll move to the chart now. So now this is a 1 minute time frame of MTL USD. So as you can see that right now your sequence is blue is above, blue is on the top, then you have brown, and then you have green. So basically your trades are supposed to be biased towards the short side, but here you're seeing a correction. You can ignore this correction. This is not aligned with our trading philosophy of moving averages. But just to test this signal whether this works out or not, so you had probably this is one place where you had blue, brown, and green, and trades are to the short side. Now this is something that you can ignore. This is something that you can ignore, but trades are not taken in isolation. There are a lot of things which move simultaneously, which I of course I demonstrate in my videos. But since if you here we are testing only the moving averages, I'll be focusing on moving averages only. Then here you had a slight blip wherein you did not have any confirmation, or you did not have any directional alignment. But here as you can see, blue, brown, and green. Okay, here also you can see that now it is being aligned, and sooner if this becomes blue, brown, and green, which is blue is 21 days moving average, brown is 13 days moving average, and green is 8 days moving average. So once these are aligned, it will be giving you technical confirmation of taking trades to the long side. Here also you can see blue, which is 21 days, brown, which is 13 days, and green, which is 8 days moving averages. This is no trade zone. You can see that market is caught, or the price is caught in this zone. There is no trade being triggered. Here you have got separation, and you know what, I'll tell you, this zone is actually very important to watch out for, because once the expansion takes place, here market has not taken off because of some of the reasons. And in trading you can't have all bets going in your favor. So here you can see when this separation starts happening, this blue, brown, and green, this is the time when this is one of probably classic pattern that I would be looking forward to have, because it gives me a very clear stop loss point over here, and then this separation is taking place. To demonstrate this, I'm coming here. You can see here the separation is taking place. Blue, brown and green. Market is sideways for a very long period of time, because these are 1 minute. This is 1 minute time frame, so this is not in absolute terms. It is hardly within half an hour all these events are unfolding. But you can see when the expansion starts happening, you get significant move. Bear in mind that we are analyzing moving average on 1 minute time frame, so you cannot of course get something like 30%, 40% move coming in few minutes, which is also possible in crypto. That is why I keep requesting, do follow your risk management rules. But anyways, now so basically we may successfully conclude that in case if you know your moving averages rules, then in that case moving averages do work in crypto market. So here, just to simplify again, I'm repeating that this is called an alligator formed by Bill Williams, and the settings are standard: blue 21, brown 13 and green 8 days moving averages. When the shorter term moving average is above longer term moving average, one should be biased to the long side. When the shorter term moving average is below longer term moving average, one should be biased to the short side. No trade when market is inside the moving average line. So sequence will be for long: blue, brown, green. Okay, when price is caught in the zone, there is no trade. With this, I'm ending this video. In case if you like the content, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm unable to do the live sessions that I had committed earlier because of the internet speed, and I do not know how to do this live sessions. I have tried, but I'm not successful as yet. Eid Mubarak to all of you. I'll see you soon. Thank you.